the water.
Okay. Anything you want that doesn't have electricity or power is good. Is that a real apple?
Fake.
Oh, it's a squishy apple.
What about this squishy apple? Sink or float?
I think it'll float. I think it'll float. 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Ryan's World.
Hi, Emma Kay.
Hi, Mommy.
What are we doing today?
Finger pyramid.
All you need is some water.
Do you like my hair?
I love your hair. It's so beautiful.
I always have one ponytail. I always have two. Now get started.
Okay, so which color you want?
I want blue.
So Kate's gonna have blue.
Green.
Here you go.
I want green.
Green for you. Okay, we're gonna add some food coloring. Yeah, don't do too much. That's right, Kate. Yeah. Yeah, you don't need food coloring, but it's just fun. Yeah, there we go, Kate. Whoa, it looks really, really cool. Look how it falls down.
Can I do one more?
Yeah. Do you guys see? Looks like fireworks, huh?
That is a fiber.
I love it. Look how slowly. Okay. Okay, there we go.
Hi, Ryan.
Hi.
I wanted to see if water floats on water.
Oh, that's a good idea, yeah. So they are agitating. What's another word for agitate?
Mix.
Right, or to stir, yeah. Nice.
I can see the water. Mommy, this looks like the sky.
Does look like the sky. The next step we're gonna do is you guys all go around the house and find me 3 items, okay? So we're gonna see it's gonna sink or float. Ryan already has 1. He got the water bottle. 2 more, Ryan.
Okay.
And you guys too. Go. There we go. Ryan's running.
We're going upstairs.
Car, food, and water.
Okay. Okay, so you have a boat float. Okay, 1. Oh, another toy? All toys? Okay, Ryan has.
I'm gonna clean the water.
Okay. Anything you want that doesn't have electricity or power is good.
Clean the water.
Okay.
And an apple.
Oh, is that a real apple?
Okay.
Oh, it's a squishy apple. Let's go, guys. You got your salt.
I just rolled my apple all the way
You
down.
roll your apple where?
Just all the way down
Oh, you guys see it?
Okay, so we're gonna take turn, and before we put it in, we're gonna all have to guess if it's gonna sink or float, okay? So Emma goes first. She has this salt. We're all gonna guess is sink or float.
Float.
Float for it, Ryan. What about you?
Sink.
Sink, okay. And then Emma, what do you think?
Float.
That's right. So you guys guess it floats? Okay, Kate's turn. What do you have? Okay, so half a body. Kate,
Feet.
do you guys think it's sink or float?
Float. Float.
Float? Float?
Give me all right.
It's float. Did you guys guess half a body float? A toy. So even if you try to sink it, see?
It's going to
Yeah. Okay, Ryan, what do you get? Okay, sink or float?
I think it's gonna float. I think it's gonna drown.
Drown? Okay, what about you?
Drown.
Okay, let's see. Sink or float?
It hovers.
Ooh.
It's drowning.
It hovered.
It's not drowning. It's hovering.
It's sink? Didn't sink or float. Oh, you guys can try, but it's gonna keep going up. Okay, Emma's turn next. We got a toy car. Emma, do you think it's gonna sink or float?
I think it's gonna float.
Float? Emma?
Sink.
Sink for Kate. What about you guys?
Float.
Float, okay.
Yay! A floating car.
It float. I didn't know a car can float.
Yeah. Car can float.
Only because it's a toy car, huh? Okay. Wait, if a car float, what do you think about a boat?
I think that could definitely float.
Float?
Yeah, it can float. Float.
Float? Emma, what do you think? It floats? You guys got it right. Like a boat float. Ooh. Hey, Ryan, what about you?
I'm gonna put it in the sprayer.
Okay, a toy cleaning. What do you guys think about that?
I think it was sink.
Sink for Kate.
I think it like hover.
Hover.
I think go cover.
Hover, okay. Let's see.
Oh, it just floats.
It floats.
Oh,
Let's see. Wait, it's going down. It's going down.
It drowned.
It's sink.
Yay! I was right. Yay! I was right.
Good job.
I was right.
Okay, Kate's turn. Do you have any other things? Oh, okay, so what is that?
A Polly Pocket toy.
Polly Pocket toy. Sink or float?
Float.
Nice.
I'm gonna put her in the boat.
Emma, you have any other thing?
Yeah, I got a Polly Pocket hat.
Oh, okay. Sink or float?
I think it'll be like a little bit higher than float.
Sink. Okay.
I mean, drown.
Sink.
Iris.
Is it sink or float, guys?
Let me see.
Oh, I think it's sinked, actually. Yep.
Yeah, I was right again. Look. It's half of here.
It's half?
None of us win. Because it was stuck against the car.
Yeah, because it doesn't have enough space, Emma. I think it's sink. Ryan's turn. What about this squishy apple? Sink or float?
Wait, sink or float, guys? I think it will float. I think it will float.
What about you, Emma?
I think I
Float?
will sink. 3, 2, 1. It floats! I won! Okay, you didn't win.
Uh-oh.
Still going up.
Now for the Mama Test Challenge. I have these rubber duckies here. Do you guys think it's gonna sink or float?
Float.
Float?
No. Because these can float.
Okay, let's see if we got it right.
I got it right.
Okay, 1 point for everybody.
Quack.
3. You guys got 1 point. Okay, so now for some fruits. You guys each take these fruits and you guys tell me before you put it in sink or float, okay? Lemon?
All of these.
This is avocado.
All of these are gonna sink.
Sink?
Yeah, sink.
Okay.
I think it's gonna float. Float. I think sink. Round.
You got it right?
I'm gonna pick drown.
Did it sink or float, Emma? It sinked? Are you sure? It looks like it float. These float. See? These fruits float. See, even if I try to sink it, it goes back up.
Mommy,
What about the avocado? Yeah, you guys got a point, of course. Woohoo!
I got a point.
Of course, Emma, you got a point. This thing is super soaked with water. Look.
Super soaker.
Yeah.
Super soaker.
Ah! Okay, here's the super hard question. What about these bugs? Do they sink or float? Sink?
Sink.
Okay, let's see.
Emma, what do you think? I guessed it right. Just kidding. Mom, it's way different for all of them.
Really? Oh, the ant did not sink. I mean, the ant did not float.
Mine floats.
Yeah.
Even when I try to put it down, it comes back up.
Oh, sorry, ant. Hey, I like how it's head first. That's funny. Oh, you're gonna sweep the ants? So Ryan's ant sinked, but Emma's bug and Kate, what about the fly? Did it sink or float? Float? Oh yeah.
Did I guess it right?
Good. So you guys,
Right.
yeah. So hope you guys have fun at home. You guys do this. Just find any items around the house and see if it sink or float.
Hi guys, today we're gonna see which soda cans sink or float.
That's right. We're going to drop those soda cans in the fish tank over here filled with water, and we're going to see which one will sink and float and why.
First I wanna try this one.
That is Dr. Pepper. Okay, let's see. Sink or float? What do you guys think?
I think it's gonna float.
Oh, really?
It's gonna sink.
It's going to sink? Okay.
I was right.
Yeah, it's synced all the way down. Oh, Ryan's in water. Oh, bubbles. Yeah, so why does things sink and why does things float? Ryan knows this.
Because the density is too high or too low.
That's right. If the density is higher than water, it will sink.
Sink.
And if the density is lower than water, it will float.
And if it's the same density, it will like hover in the water.
Good job. Good observation. Next
And the
one.
density of water is 1.
One what?
1
grams per milliliter.
grams per milliliter.
There's other units, but yeah. Okay. Ryan wants to test out
Pepsi.
Pepsi. Regular Pepsi. What do you think?
It's gonna fit.
It's gonna sink? Okay. Let's see.
I was correct.
Wow, they both sink. Whoa.
It was
Whoa.
floating for a little bit.
Yeah, it did. You guys see that? Okay. What else do you want to test out?
And then Coca-Cola.
Yes, but this bottle is smaller though, Ryan. This can is smaller, so what do you think if it's smaller?
I think it might float.
Float? Okay, let's see.
Let me see. Oh, it's gonna float. It floats.
It floats? What?
Or is it the same density?
Maybe. What? Oh, we're gonna wait a while and see what happened to that Coke can, okay?
Okay.
Do all the small bottles float? Let's try to push it down. Let's see what happens.
What?
It just goes back. It just hovers on there. Wow. Okay, let's try a smaller bottle too. Let's see what makes a difference.
Oh, okay. Let's do this one.
But that's Diet Pepsi. Do you think Diet and regular have a difference though?
No.
Let's see.
Wait, what if we put it on top? It's probably gonna fall off though. What? They both float.
Oh, wow.
Oh, this one
Interesting.
floats a little bit more.
It's like I'm gonna go back up. Interesting.
Whoa. Coke, I don't think it's gonna float.
The Diet Coke? That's Diet Coke. Let's see.
Wait, what? What?
What? But that's a big can too, Ryan. Why does
Yeah.
it float? Huh, we gotta put more and see.
What?
What is going on?
What? And this is Coca-Cola, but big version.
That's right. So the small version float. What about the big version?
Wait, let me see how heavy this is. Oh, this is way heavier. I think it's gonna sink. Like that.
Whoa.
What? How?
What is going on? That Coke there is still, wait, it's sinking. The small can float, but the big can sink. But then that's a big can, but it still floats. So interesting. Okay.
Let's do Sprite.
That's a Diet Sprite. So what do you think, Ryan? The no sugar gonna float or sink?
Sink.
It sink? Okay.
What?
What is happening? Huh, interesting, right? So both the Diet Giant size float.
We need to see.
Ryan's trying to push it down. Go down.
Oh, it actually goes back up. Now let's do MVP.
So this is,
Coke Zero.
that's right. So this is also Coca-Cola, but it's zero, so it doesn't have sugar in there. It's different type of chemical,
It's gonna float.
different type of sweetener.
Here. Here. It floats too?
What is going on, Ryan?
Why?
Huh.
And these we already. Oh, there's a smaller version.
Okay, smaller Sprite. Let's see. That's also no sugar. Ryan's smelling it.
We never
Right.
tried this one yet.
That's sugar. Okay, that's a regular Sprite and it has sugar.
Oh. Take that. I think it's going to float. Yup. Wait.
It sinked.
Whoa.
Whoa. What do you observe with all these soda cans?
All the diet ones float.
That's right, except for this one. That's not diet, but it's float. And what happened to all the regular sodas?
They all sink.
They all sank. Yeah, except for this one. So I actually found another can here. It's a small version. It's regular, so we're gonna test it out and see. Do you think it's gonna float or
Oh, it's
sink?
so cool.
Yeah, it was in the fridge, so.
It's gonna float.
Gonna float, okay, let's see.
Oh.
Oh, so it also floats. So I guess the smaller cans,
They float.
they
easy.
float, but the giant cans sink. But if it is giant can, but if it is diet, it floats, right?
Yeah.
Do you know why the diet one floats, but then the regular one sink all the way to the bottom?
Sugar?
The sugar, good job. So I think these float is because they're smaller cans,
Somehow that one floats.
so it doesn't have as much sugar, so it'll still float. See? Yeah, that's so cool. Ryan wants to try a regular water bottle. Let's see what happens.
I think it's gonna sink.
Sink?
We know it's gonna float. Whoa.
Oh, it's hovering.
Maybe it's the same density because there's water inside.
That's right, same density as water. So all the one with sugar is sinking on the bottom. Do you know how much sugar are in sodas?
No.
A lot. But before we get to that, let's test out other items around the house. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
So we're gonna go and get some items around the house and test them out.
Now we gathered stuff around the house. And these are real.
Okay, so which items do you want to try first?
I'm trying the baseball.
Ooh, okay.
I
This
think
is a squishy toy. It's not a real baseball.
It's gonna float.
It's gonna float.
Wow.
Well, definitely float here.
Wow. I didn't know that this was less density.
Yeah, it is less dense than water. That's why it's like staying on top. What else?
This.
A sponge?
This is a sponge.
Secret float.
Let's get it wet. Wait, doesn't this make it like heavier?
Yeah,
Float. Wait.
still float.
If we put water in it.
Nope, still float. Right, trying to push it down.
Wow. Whoa.
Still float.
Wow.
It's like you're not getting me down, Ryan.
We can try this.
Okay, so we have a quarter.
Yeah, but it's gonna be probably a different result with the penny and stuff, maybe. I don't know. Oh,
Well, it just went all the way down. Where'd it go?
Whoa.
Oh, there it is. You guys see it? It's right there. So it's synced. Definitely way more dense than water.
yep. And now we got this Nerf bullet.
Let's see. Sink or float. Whoa. It's like the sponge, huh? It just like stays on top.
Wow.
That's cool.
And now we can try this.
Avocado.
Real.
Real avocado. Sink or float, you guys. Oh, it's going up, Ryan. It's going up. It's going up. Ryan's trying to push it down. But is it gonna work?
Is it?
Nope.
It isn't. But I can scoop it up.
Scooping it up.
I got an idea. So we can put this in. Oh,
That's definitely synced.
got it. Now what if I scoop the avocado up and then drop it?
Oh.
Oh, I have an idea. What if I do this? It's like a helmet. Oh. Now we can try a small Nerf bullet.
Definitely float.
And this glasses, it is 100% UV protection.
Yay.
Bye-bye.
So there you go. If you ever drop your glasses in the pool, it's going all the way down.
So make it water protection.
Yeah.
Now we can try baseball.
Juggling ball.
Juggling ball.
Yeah, there you go.
It's gonna flow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Apple is floating too. Wow.
Orange. Wow.
Whoa. They all float. All the fruits so far that we have in here float.
So far, most of it floats.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, except this avocado, it's staying down this time.
What?
Yeah, look at that.
No way. Is there too much water inside or something?
Maybe, I don't know.
What?
Oh, it's sinking now.
Let me see.
Ryan's trying to dry it off.
What?
Maybe the water got inside and weighed it down.
Yeah.
All the Cokes that sink, we notice that they're regular Cokes with a whole bunch of sugar inside, right?
Yeah.
So Ryan's gonna pick up the Coca-Cola, and we're gonna figure out just how much sugar is inside,
Yeah.
okay? So each Coca-Cola bottle on the back will have a label. And you notice here it tells you exactly how much sugar is inside. It'll tell you, it says total sugar, 39 grams. And then here is a Diet Coke, and if you notice here, the total sugar actually says 0. But because there's no sugar, they actually added other chemicals in there to make it the taste the same. So it's actually not good for you either. But we're gonna see how much sugar is inside this Coke. So this Coke, it says it has 39 grams of sugar, right? Okay, I'm gonna cup on here. I'm gonna zero it out. Ryan's going to put
Lots of grams.
sugar in there until it reach 39
9 grams. 8 grams.
8 grams, okay.
No, 8 grams.
Still not 39 grams of sugar. What is
Whoa.
it? Okay, right now we're at 32 grams of sugar.
So I should put a little bit now.
34 grams of sugar, yeah.
That should be 30.
37.
Okay, so go slowly.
Oh, there it is, 39. Good job, Ryan. So this is how much sugar that is in this Diet Coke here. So that's why it weighs it down and it sinks. Is it good to drink sodas all the time? Why?
Because they have a lot of sugar.
A lot of sugar, yeah.
And also they have chemicals.
That's right, good job. It has bad chemicals for your body, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay guys, I hope you guys have fun learning with Ryan about density and about how things sink and float. What?
This is 370 grams.
Whoa, the whole container is 370 grams?
Yeah.
Let's see. There it is, guys. 370 grams for the whole container. But that's also including the container. Back to where we were doing. We were talking about thank you for watching and learning with Ryan. Hope you guys have a good day and learn about density and learn about why things float and learn about why it's not good for you to drink so much soda.
Yeah.
Right? For now, thank you for watching.
Bye. Remember, always stay happy and rise up.
Hey guys, today we're gonna do sink or float challenge. We're gonna see what sinks or floats. So first off, I got a shark. Do you think it will sink or float? Let's see. 3, 2, 1. It's a floating shark. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna float or sink on the shark. Other things in the house too that I will test if it can sink or float. Okay guys, first I'm gonna see if the slinky can sink or float. I think it's gonna sink. 3, 2, 1. It's definitely a slinky sinky. Okay guys, let's test the next one. The next thing I want to test if it sinks or floats is this claw. 3, 2, 1. I think it might float. Bam! It's floating! I was correct! Next, I'm going to test out a metal spatula and a wooden spoon. I think the wooden spoon is going to maybe go down like this, maybe. And the spatula will stay up here. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, 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 whoa! The spatula went down! What? Guys, do you know why some object sinks and floats? It's because of the difference in density. If an object has more density than water, then it will sink. But if it has less density than water, then it will float. So why does this shark float? It's because less density than water. Full of air. How many of you guys like apples? Do you think this apple is going to sink or float? Let's see. I think it might hover, like here. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Bam! Oh, it's like hovering and floating at the same time. Yeah. Apple, no sink. Next, what do you think about this alien? Do you think it's going to sink or float? I think it's going to float. 3, 2, 1. It's a floating alien! I am almost drowning. Don't worry, alien, I'll save you. Go back in. Next, I have some fun dog and animal toys. Do you think they're going to sink or float? Okay, Mr. Octopus, sink or float? I think it's going to float. 3, 2, 1, kabam! Oh, it's kind of like hovering. Mr. Octopus hovering. But now Mr. Octopus go in the water. Oh. Mr. Octopus shoot ink at you. Ink, ink, ink. All right, Mr. Beetle and Mr. Ant. See if you can sink or float. 3, 2, 1. I think they're both going to float. Oh, they're both floating. I was correct. Yay! I squirted ink. Next, I'm gonna do Mrs. Grasshopper and Mr. Crab. 3, 2, 1. I think this one's gonna float and this one might hover. 3, 2, 1. Bam! Oh, Mr. Crab is floating. Floating, Mr. Crab. This is Grasshopper. Is kind of like hovering and floating at the same time. Here, I got a brush. Let's see if it sinks or floats. I think it's gonna float. 3, 2, 1, kabam. Okay, it's floating. So the brush floats. What does that mean? It's less density than water. Next, I got a chest filled with treasure. Okay, let's see if it sinks or floats. I think it is going to sink because 1 coin can float. Oh, not even 1 coin can float. Okay, I think it's gonna sink. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, oh, it's floating! What? Treasure chest floating with all the treasure. But what about all the coins? Whoa! Some of them are sinking and some of them are floating. Whoa! This is cool. Okay, guys, next I got a container filled with water. Do you think water will float in water? Let's see. 3, 2, 1. I think it's gonna hover. Bam. It sank. Wait, it went back up. I didn't even touch it. Oh, maybe if I do this. Yeah. So it's not actually sinking. It's just coming back up. And bam. Water hovers on water. I got some wooden blocks. Let's see if it'll sink or float. I think it's gonna float. 3, 2, 1. Bam, bam, bam. It's floating. Wooden blocks float. I'm gonna build something on the water. Oh. And bam. Oh. Triangle. Oh.
Hey, Ryan.
Yeah?
Catch.
Do you guys think this is gonna sink or float? I think it's gonna float. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! It's floating. Let's see if I hold on to it, it floats. It's still floating with me. Yeah! Oh no. So let's recap. Why does something sink or float in water? It's because of the difference in density. If the object has more density than the water, this is what will happen. It will sink. But if the object has less density than water, then it will float. There. Thank you for watching my sink or float experiment. Remember, always stay happy and rise up. Bye.
Hi guys, today we're making elephant toothpaste. And don't forget to ask your grown-up for help. Mommy's right there.
Hi! So, later on we'll show you guys how to do the kid-friendly version with yeast. But
Which is easy.
yeah, easier, but since I'm a grown-up, I can help Ryan with instead of using yeast, we're gonna use potassium iodide. Yeah, let's get started. First, you're gonna need some hydrogen peroxide.
Yeah, so you're gonna put 40V.
40V. So to get hydrogen peroxide, you can get it at the beauty store. This is 40 volume.
Gonna have the beauty store?
Yeah, so this is what you use to dye your hair. You can use 20%, 30%, or 40%. I got the 40% one, so it's a little bit stronger. 1,000, then you're gonna make a giant elephant toothpaste.
Or if it's 1 trillion%, it'd probably cover our whole house.
I know. Ah! So I'm gonna put about 200 milliliters, okay? All right, Ryan, you gonna help me?
Nope.
There you go. You're gonna pour 200. Okay, good.
That's so good.
Ah!
We're at like 230. Next, put about 2 squirts of Dawn soap. 1 squirt, 2 squirts. Next, you're gonna need some food coloring, but make it dark because when it comes out, it's gonna be light.
Put about 10 drops in there. That's That's good.
Was that one of them?
It's okay. Now we gotta just agitate. There you go.
Next, add a cup of water. And 1 cup.
Now I'm gonna use potassium iodide.
I'm not touching that.
We're gonna use about 1 tablespoon. Okay, so we put it in there like so. And then we're gonna agitate. So we have to keep mixing until it dissolves everything. Okay, so you might have to add more and you're gonna do it until it stops dissolving. And that's how you know it's saturated. Okay, I think it is good time to stop because there's some that won't mixed. You see?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay, Ryan, I think it's ready. So now you're gonna mix it together. Be very, very careful.
3, 2, 1.
Let's see if it's gonna work.
Oh. Wow! There's so much.
It's foaming out. Whoa. Yeah, so don't touch that.
See, Mommy, it was a good idea that. No,
It is
it's gonna drop.
Whoa.
It's dropping.
I know, it is going all over.
Oh my God. What?
What?
It's not falling.
What?
It's not falling.
How?
It's just going. What? What? Ah.
Whoa. So there it is, you guys. Elephant toothpaste. We put green, but somehow it turned it to yellow. I think it's with the Dawn soap.
Yeah. Looks
Whoa.
gross. Oh my gosh.
Wow, it is all over our table.
Start cleaning that up, Mommy.
Yes, I'm definitely cleaning this one up. Yeah, so don't touch this. That's why we have gloves on. Whoa.
The top was still good.
It's still? How? Look, it just curves.
Yeah, it just doesn't fall.
Wow.
Really sticky, I guess.
Wow, so that's really cool. Okay guys, look, it is foaming out still.
Whoa.
There's the green color.
When you put the napkins on it, it looks red.
What do you think?
It's really cool.
Whoa.
But now we got to clean it up.
I know. All right guys, so that was the hydrogen peroxide version. Now I'm gonna do it with the yeast, okay?
Okay.
This is the kid-friendly version that you guys can do.
I
With
bet thousands of these
Uh-huh.
could destroy a volcano.
maybe, yeah. But don't forget, you still need adult for help. So that's also hydrogen peroxide. We're gonna do 1/2 cup of it. You can use 20% developer or make it even weaker.
Yeah.
There it is.
Next, I'm gonna use red food coloring.
I'm gonna agitate.
Next, 1 squirt of Dawn soap. Look, it looks super long. Yeah, yay. Okay, good.
More agitating.
Agitate, 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 and agitate.
Next, warm up some water. Add the container of yeast to it. And then stir. So it had 15 milliliters of water in there. We're gonna stir. Agitate, agitate.
Next, let's add the yeast. Whoa! Woohoo! Looks so cool. Wow! Instead of this one's coming out like, and then the other one was coming out like.
Yeah, this one looks more like an elephant toothpaste, right?
Yeah. This looks cool, actually.
Yeah, I like
Whoa!
it too. So what you think?
It looks really cool, the small one and the big one.
Yeah, so there it is. You can compare the two versions. This one, it's been a while, so that's why it looks like this. But this one's really cool. So there it is, a fun do-it-yourself, easy science experiment at home.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Remember, always stay happy and rise up. Bye! If you want to see more science videos, subscribe and turn on the notifications bell and like. Bye!
Whoa.
Hey guys, do you think this rubber ducky is gonna sink or float? I think it's gonna float. Whoa, it's floating. Whee!
Good job, Ryan. Now what about this mallet?
Whoa.
Do you think it's going to sink or float?
I think it's going to sink.
Let's see.
It sank.
Good job.
But Mommy, why do you think sink or float?
Good question, Ryan. I'll show you. Come on, guys.
Where'd Mommy go?
Did you know an object's ability to sink or float is called buoyancy? But why does an object sink or float? Object will sink if they're more dense than water. An object will float if they're less dense than water. So let's try putting these objects in water to see which one will sink and which one will float. Let's see what we have here. Squishy, some diamond jewels, and a basketball. Oh, get that back. Come back. This Squishy toy feels light, but let's see if it will float in water. All right, 1, 2, 3. Wow! The Squishy toy float in water. So what does that mean? It's less dense than water! Yay! Woohoo! Okay, let's see what we have next. Next, we have these stones, so colorful. Woohoo! Ah, so bright. They're smaller than the Squishy toys. Do you guys think it'll float in water? But they're heavier. Does that make a difference? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh no! Wow, so what does this mean? These stones are more dense than water. Look, they sink all the way to the bottom. Next, we have a basketball. Look, it bounces. It's heavier than the Squishy toy. It is bigger than the Squishy toy. Do you guys think this will float or sink in water? All right, let's test it out. 1, 2, 3. Whew. Wow, what did you guys notice? It floats in water. What does that mean? It's less dense than water, even though it's bigger and heavier than the Squishy toy. They both float. So why does the basketball float? Well, it's hollow and empty inside and is full of air. And air is less dense than water, so it helps the basketball float. Woohoo! I have an idea. Let's go grab a whole bunch of other stuff to try. Be right back. Wow. Okay, guys. A whole bunch of stuff for us to try, okay? So remember, an object will sink if the density is greater than water, and an object will float if the density is less than water. So let's see. Mr. Shark, you want to give it a try? It's not a real shark, it's a toy shark. Sink or float? Let's see. Are you greater than water for density or less? 1, 2, 3. The shark floats! Wow. Must have a lot of air inside. Do you guys remember these? Fidget spinners. Sink or float? Let's test it out. 1, 2, 3. They sink! So what does that mean? The density of fidget spinner is greater than water. Next, scissors. So this is a plastic scissor, but we're gonna see if it sinks or floats in water. You ready? 1, 2, 3. It floats! Did you guys guess that right? So these are less dense than water, okay? Whoopee cushion. Okay, all right, sink or float, what do you guys think? 1, 2, 3. Also floats. Who likes to play American football? Hut, hut, pew! Sink or float, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I'll be right back. Obviously, no, not good at American football. 1, 2, 3, hut, hut, catch! Yay! Also floats, wow! So far we're doing great. But here's a tricky one. Paper clips. Sink or float? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Move away, whoopee cushion. Whee! So what's happening? They all sink. That means the paper clip's density is greater than water. Okay, what's next? This is so fun. What about the giant glasses? These sink or float? Any guesses? All right, bye-bye glasses. 1, 2, 3. Oh, is it gonna sink or is it gonna float? Oh, it's hovering, it's hovering. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty close to water's density. That's why it's right there in between sinking and floating. So, since you guys didn't ask, what is the density of water? The density of water is 1 gram per milliliter. So, anytime an object's density is greater than 1 gram per milliliter, it sinks. Anytime an object's density is less than 1 grams per milliliter, it floats. What else? Trumpet! Sink or float. Don't forget there's lots of air inside here, lots of holes. And it's pretty plasticky. 1, 2, 3. Float! All right. Lobster, you guys like lobster? Hey, Mr. Lobster, do you sink or float in water?
Well, I am a lobster, so I think I'm going to sink.
Oh, okay. Let's see if it's true. He thinks he's gonna sink. What do you guys think? 1, 2, 3. Oh, Mr. Lobster did sink. Bye-bye, Lobster. Good thing he likes water, huh? So what does that mean? His density is greater than water. Okay, we're gonna clear out the tank because I have a super fun experiment. Diet Coke versus regular Coke. Which one will sink and which one will stay afloat? All right, let's put it into the water. Okay guys, we have to wait, okay? Something cool is gonna happen. Wow, look what you guys noticed. That Diet Coke float and that regular Coke sink. So what does this mean? The Diet Coke is less dense than water. But the regular Coke, where are you, regular Coke? There you are. It's more dense than water. Do you know why? Because this actually has lots and lots and lots of sugar inside. So the sugar is more dense than water, so it sinks the Coke. And the Diet Coke actually has less than 1 gram of sugar, so mostly just water and air inside, so it floats. Wow!
Excuse me, Miss Ryan's mom.
Yes, Peck?
I'm doing some homework on buoyancy, and I'm trying to understand how these giant cruise ships are able to float in the ocean.
That's a good question, Peck. Those cruise ships can float in water because it's hollow, like this basketball. It's full of air.
It's hollow and full of air. Got it.
But that's not all, Peck. It's because also the shape of the cruise ship. I have an idea. let's do one more experiment.
Oh, joy! Another experiment? I love experiments.
Let's go. Did you know that ship is shaped so that most of it is above water? That way it doesn't displace too much water.
Displays?
Yeah. Let's try this. I'm going to put ice, oh, it's cold, in this cup that is full of water and see what happens. You guys ready? Oh, it's so cold. Okay. Whoa.
Whoa! The water spilled everywhere.
Yeah, so when we put the ice in a cup of water that's already filled, the water spills out, right? So when an object pushes water out of the way, this is called displacement. Yes, so this is why ships don't sink.
They are hollow like the basketball and full of air, and they're shaped so that they don't displace too much water.
That's right.
Oh, joy! I can finish my homework now. Thank you, Miss Ryan's mom. See you later.
You're welcome, Peck. Bye. So I think that now we're an expert on objects sinking or floating in water. Let's try a pop quiz. Let's go. Question number 1. What is buoyancy? Is it A, an object's ability to sink or float? Or is it B, buoyancy is a buoyant? Or is it C, is buoyancy a cheeseburger? Any guesses? The answer is A! Buoyancy is an object's ability to sink or float! Yay! Alright guys, let's move on to question number 2. Why does object sink? Is it because A, they're blue, all object that is blue float? Or is it B, they like to swim? Or is it C, they are more dense than water? So what's the answer? Why do objects sink? It's because C, they are more dense than water. Question number 3. Why do ships float? Is it because A, they're hollow, full of air, and their shape doesn't displace too much water? Or is it because B, they are made of squishy wood? Or is it because of C, they are hungry? Do you know the answer? Why do ships float? It's because of A. Ships float because they are hollow, full of air, and their shape doesn't displace too much water. So, how did you guys do on the quiz? If you guessed it right, you can try again next time. Now that we learned so much about how objects are able to sink and float into water, tell Ryan all about it. Okay, let's go. So Ryan, that's why some things sink and some things float.
Thank you for showing me all about what sinks and floats, Mommy.
Of course. Now, final question for you, Ryan. Will this ball sink or float?
It will float.
Okay, let's see if Ryan's right.
Yay!
Good job. Now, does that mean this ball is less dense than water or more dense than water?
Less dense.
Yay!
Thank you for watching our sink and float video. Bye. Remember, always stay happy and rise up. Bye. Hi guys, today we're doing a fun science experiment.
Yeah, we're going to test out all the objects around the house and see if it floats or sinks. So now let's put some water in the tank.
So Ryan, do you know how an object sink or float?
If they're tall?
No, if the object is less dense than water, because that's what the liquid we're using. If the object is less dense than water, then it will float, and if it's more dense, then it will sink. Yeah.
Ah, no, don't squash me, Ryan.
Now that the water's filled up, let's go find some objects.
Alright, let's go inside and find it. Let's go, let's go.
Now we're gonna look around the house to find some objects so we can see if they sink or float.
Let's find an item and put it in this box.
What should we use?
Oh, this water bottle.
We want to see if a water bottle will sink or float? Okay.
A boat. A boat.
This one.
You think a boat's gonna sink or float?
Float.
Float? Okay, guess we'll find out.
What else?
What else, you guys?
Ooh, some Diet Coke.
So Ryan wants to get the Diet Coke in the fridge.
There you go.
You think Diet Coke's gonna sink or float?
Down.
Sink?
Ooh, I see some balls. Like this spiky one. I found these balls. Love it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. I have a good idea. Here's the banana. You guys are gonna think it's sink or float? Because I think it's gonna sink. Banana. What else should I test?
Anything in this room?
Pokeballs.
That's my Pokeballs. No, don't put that in the water.
It's either gonna sink or float, Daddy.
I think it's gonna float.
Float?
But don't test it.
Sing. Let's go upstairs to look for more toys. A bunch of Hot Wheels. We have a yellow car.
We're gonna test that one?
Uh-huh.
Okay, what else should we test?
Alright, what about some Disney cars? Ryan, which one you want to bring in? Which one to take?
This.
Whoa! That's a big one. It's a McQueen. Yeah. Oh, what about this? This is big bus. Do you think this is gonna float or sink?
No.
Alright, let's try this one too.
What about the pumpkin up there?
Oh, this is a cute pumpkin smiling. Let's get this.
Are you gonna sink or float, Mr. Pumpkinhead?
I'm gonna float.
So what else are we testing out?
Blue bats. Now let's test out this fire truck with Marshall and Rubble in it.
Are you guys gonna sink or float?
We're gonna sink.
Woo, we have so many things.
What about we test this hammer to see it sinks or float?
What do you think?
6.
All right, I think we have enough object here. So we're gonna bring it outside to see if it sink or float.
Here we are.
Found some. Let's test out the hammer.
All right, do you guys think it's gonna sink or float? Do you think it's more?
Sink.
Sink?
Do
Okay.
you think it's more dense or less dense than water?
More dense.
More dense?
More dance.
Let's see.
Oh yeah, for sure.
It sank, so it is more dense than liquid water. What do you want to try next, Daddy?
Alright, I will try this cute pumpkin.
Aww. What do you think, Ryan?
Less dense.
Less dense, so it's gonna float?
Yes.
Is it gonna float? Is it gonna float? Oh, pumpkin float! We're so cute.
I'm gonna try this.
A bat? Say sink or float.
Sink.
Sink?
More dense.
Oh, it floats.
How's it less?
It's less dense. Again, it's probably because it's hollow
Yeah, there's
inside.
nothing inside, right? It's
Yeah,
air.
so there's air.
Like
Air is actually less dense than water, so it helps it float.
How about McQueen?
Ooh, Monster Truck McQueen.
I
Sink
think
or
it's gonna
float?
sink.
Sink, sink,
Sink?
sink.
More dense than water?
More.
More dense?
Ah,
Oh, more dense. Hi, McQueen. Oh, how do you feel being in water? Are you ready to go for a swim?
Ow!
What object do you want to test next?
What's next? No! No, my Pokeball.
Pokemon, sink or float?
Oh, no.
Float, float, float.
It's gonna float? Okay.
I think it's hollow.
Is there a Pokemon inside? My Pokeball!
Oh, it floats. Look at that. Woo. Bruce, even if you put it down, it pops back up.
Oh, it's my turn?
Yeah.
I'll pick my favorite drink, Diet Coke.
Ooh, Diet Coke, sink or float?
I think it sinks.
Wait, is there anything in there?
Yeah, Diet Coke. It's
Sink,
open.
sink, sink,
Sink,
sink, sink.
I think so
Okay.
too.
Let's see.
What's your guess, Mommy?
I think it's gonna float.
It's gonna float?
Yeah.
What do you say? Go. Oh, it floats!
It floats.
How?
Because Diet Coke doesn't have it has the fake sugar in there. It doesn't have sugar in there to weigh it down. Daddy's gonna see if he can find a regular soda that's not diet and see what happens.
Yeah.
Daddy found the regular soda.
All right.
All right.
Let's see.
So because it has sugar in there, it's gonna make it more dense than water. Let's see if it's true.
You guys ready?
I'm ready.
Sink.
It is going down more. Maybe it just takes time. Regular soda sinks.
It just takes time.
Yeah. Woo!
I want the banana.
Banana sink or float.
I think it float.
More dense or less dense than water?
The west.
Less dense? You guys both think it's gonna float?
Yeah.
Come on, really?
Ah, float.
What? I didn't know that. Banana is less dense
Banana
than water.
can swim.
Oh, like peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly.
It's peanut butter jelly time.
All right, Daddy, what else should we try?
Stress ball.
Ooh.
Ooh, it floats. What about this one?
Well, what about that one?
Oh, think
Oh,
both
float too.
float.
All right, your turn. What do you want?
You know what I'm
What?
gonna
What is that?
The boat Ryan made.
Oh, boat. Sink or float?
It's gonna float? Okay, because it's a boat. Yay!
It's floating. Chugga chugga choo choo.
What? Is that
What?
a train?
Why is that sound?
Okay, what about, you think it can hold a ball?
Oh no! Mommy, it's sinking! There's so much water inside now.
Pokeball overboard.
Ah!
Oh no!
It's no submarine, Ryan.
That sounds fun.
Ah, it broke.
Oh no, now it's just a sheet of paper.
Ah.
What about a sheet of paper? Sink or float? If it's flat.
Float.
Float? Okay, let's see.
Oh yeah, it does float.
Float! What about if you crumble it up into a ball?
Like this?
Yeah.
Float. No sink. But there's nothing in it.
Let's see.
Well, there is something in it.
Oh, it floats.
No, it floats. Okay, what else do you want to try, Ryan?
How about this one?
Miss Frizzle? All right. From Disney Cars.
Looks
Let's see.
heavy.
Looks heavy?
It's
Sink,
a
sink, sink, sink. No float.
Oh, it floats.
It's a water toy.
Oh, it's a water toy? That's
So
why.
it's meant to float. I forgot.
What's this button do?
I think you put it under water and let it soak up some water. And then it squirts. You guys see the squirting from the horns?
Yeah.
The race is on.
I'm gonna splash you.
Hey, no, don't splash me, no.
It keeps splashing my face.
What do you want to try next?
I want to try
Yourself?
Ryan.
myself. I want to try this.
Whoa, got a Paw Patrol fire truck.
And it floats.
Oh.
Float.
Even if the Marshall and Rubble
Floats, still floats.
still float?
Ah, puppy overboard. What else do we have here?
We have water bottle.
Sink or float, Ryan?
Nope.
It floats.
Because there's air inside.
Yeah.
Well, there's a tiny bit.
Woohoo. Last thing.
It's the Hot Wheel.
Hot wheel car. Sink or float? Mr. Ryan. Sink? Okay. Ryan says it's going to sink.
Oh, you're right.
Definitely sink. All the way to the bottom. Did you guys guess which one's going to sink or float?
I'm a toy.
You're also a toy? Ryan, toy review?
Right, toy.
Right, toy?
Now we're going to make the water blue. So blue.
Yeah. Whoa.
Looks like a robot swimming.
Rebel, you swimming? Having a swim?
That was such a fun experiment. Now let's dump out the water.
Woo! Woo!
Thank you for watching our science experiment video. Bye.
Bye. We're gonna go clean up now. And Mr. Pumpkin also says bye. Hi everybody, welcome to Ryan's toy review. Today I'm gonna show Ryan something really, really cool. Are you ready?
Pray.
But can you trust me?
Yes, it's
Okay.
a science experiment.
All right, so here's what's gonna happen, okay? I got a glass of water. You see a glass of water there?
But it's from the sink.
Yeah, so sink, glass of water. I have a cup here. I'm gonna pour this glass of water in the cup. Well, without dripping, except I'm gonna drip. So the whole thing. Look at that. No more, okay? Wow, look, pour the whole thing in there. Now, the question is, does Ryan trust mommy? Do you trust me? Okay. So, here's what we're gonna do, okay? You guys ready?
Oh, no.
Here's what we're gonna do. You said you trust me. Okay, I'm gonna use Ryan's book here, okay? I'm gonna cover this. You see? Flip it upside down.
Oh, no.
Hold on, I'm not done. I'm I'm gonna put it on top of Ryan's head.
No. No. No.
You say you trust me. Okay, all right, you guys see this on top of Ryan's head? Now here's what's gonna happen, okay?
No. No.
I'm gonna remove the book.
No. No.
You said you trust me.
Is it a magic trick?
It's just water. It's just water.
I'm scared.
Do you trust me?
Yeah.
Okay, put this on top of Ryan's head like so. I'm going to it's just water, right? I'm gonna remove the book.
Come on.
Dun, 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 dun.
I'm so scared.
Done. Look guys, look. See?
Oh, what?
See what happened? It didn't even fall.
It turned to ice.
Look what happened. So what's really going on? I don't know if you guys can see it, but
It turned to ice.
there's something in here. It turned into ice, you think?
Wait.
Okay, now we're gonna just dump it out and I'll show you.
It's a squishy thing.
It's something squishy. All right, so we'll find out. Okay, so if you look here, yeah, there's something, so look what you can do. Okay, you ready? You can go like this. Now you can just move it around so it'll come out. A little bit too much. Mind blown.
How?
Do you see that? Do you guys can see that?
How did you do that magic trick?
Yeah, so whatever I put inside absorbs the water. Do you see? You can just crush it up. But whatever it is absorbs the water. And that's why Ryan did not get wet. What do you think?
What?
Do you like it?
Cool.
Yeah.
How do you do that?
You want to try it on Daddy later?
Yeah.
Okay, so you ready for the trick?
Yeah.
So what I used was this magical powder called water gel that I bought online. Okay, if you guys want to get it, I bought it from Steve Spangler Science website. So first, Ryan's gonna need some water.
A lot
The
more.
whole container. Just fill it up, Ryan, fill it up. There you go. Take 1 spoon of that, pour it in there. Okay, that's all you need. Now, you can use that and pour it in there and see what happened. Are you ready? What happened?
It just absorbed all the water.
Exactly. Okay, now try to turn it over. You see, it doesn't come out.
What?
Mind blown?
Oh, that is so cool. This is so cool.
It is. It's one of my favorite science experiments. So these are called polymers, and they're really, really good at absorbing water. And do you know where you can find these?
What? Where?
Do you wanna guess? A product that you see where this chemical could be very, very useful. Do you know? All right, you want me to tell you?
How? I see it.
That is actually also in diapers. That's what they use in diapers. So like if you cut this open, what you see inside the diaper is actually these powder or something similar to this powder. That's why it's good, right? That's why you can, you can use the diaper and it absorbs a lot of water in here.
What?
You know what'd be fun? Let's try to make a color version.
Let's do it.
We're gonna use Elmo's fizzers here to see if it works. Okay, we're gonna change the color to red.
It's actually purple, but it looks pinkish.
Yeah.
Abracadabra, make my water disappear. Oh!
Let's see if we can take it out. Right. So Ryan splat it, so it broke. Okay, so we're gonna try again.
I think it's gonna make green, or it might just make it.
Yellow and blue, you guys know what color it's gonna make?
It's gonna make green, or which color do you think is gonna go over the other color? I think it's blue is gonna go over yellow, or they make green.
Let's see.
Wait, they're making green.
That's so cool, huh?
Whoa. It's so green now.
Yeah.
1, 2, 1. Abracadabra! Make my water disappear.
Ryan! Oh, scary. Whoa, it broke inside. We must have squeezed it.
Oh yeah.
Okay, it's still inside here. You guys see it? It almost feels like a slushy, doesn't it? Feels like a slushy.
Slushy.
All right, third time's a charm. We're gonna get this right.
Yes, third time's a charm. 3, 2, 1. Folded. 3, 2, 1. Abracadabra.
All right, so there it is. I'm gonna see if I can pour it out. Look at our mess. Super messy, huh?
Yeah.
But it's okay, it was fun. And it's really good to learn. Okay. So super water absorbent. Okay, just go like that. Squeeze it a little bit. There you go. All right, let's see if we can just shake it. Almost so close.
Oh, you
So
see it.
close.
You see it right there.
Yeah, so close. The little fizzer thing that's on here, a little bath thing. Magic yellow water.
Ah, magic yellow. I didn't do anything. Yellow and purple, maybe. Or red.
Yellow and red. Orange. You should know,
yeah,
right?
orange,
Yeah.
Mixing, 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 mixing.
Magical gel. So cool.
Whoa. Abracadabra. I like how the bubbles are still there.
Let's see.
Well, they all pop.
Here we go.
Don't break. Come on.
It broke. But it's okay, it was so much fun. All right, guys, we're gonna clean all this up and we're gonna get ready because Daddy's about to come home. We're going to prank Daddy, make it look like we're spilling water on top of his head. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm having to clean up, but I just want to show you guys, it's so fun just to smush it. So, look at this. Can you believe these are the things that's in diaper, absorbing the water? That is so cool. All right, cleaning up time and then pranking Daddy. Hi. Glasses? Yeah, so Emma and Kate and Daddy's home.
Hey guys.
All right, Ryan's gonna show you something, okay?
Oh, it's a good magic trick?
Yes, Ryan's gonna just put water in here so, you know that it's just regular water from the sink.
Okay.
You can fill it up from to the top.
Yeah, I don't see any tricks or anything.
Okay, we're gonna put water into the cup there. The whole thing. Okay. All right, don't let Daddy look, Ryan. All right, Ryan's gonna cover it up with this. Okay, so Daddy, you're a little tall, so can you bend down?
Okay.
Do you
Only
trust?
if I bend down.
Yeah. Do you trust Ryan?
Wow, what are you doing?
Do you trust Ryan?
No, I don't trust Ryan. It's dripping already.
Do you
Whoa!
trust Ryan?
No, I'm gonna put my phone. I'm gonna put my phone.
3, 2, 1.
What? What?
Ryan! 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 Okay, so Ryan. So now Daddy's really dirty with the stuff, so sorry about that. It was close though.
Hi guys! Today we're going to be making a rainbow baking soda and vinegar science experiment.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Okay guys, first step is you're just gonna need a cup of baking soda and then your favorite color. So what color are you guys gonna add?
Green!
Okay, go ahead. Kate did some red, Emma did some green, and Ryan did
I don't even know.
blue. Next, you're gonna need to agitate, to get something to agitate. Yeah,
This to
there
the
you
wall.
go.
Did you have a
Agitate,
bunch of glue
agitate. Good girls. Good Emma. Good Ryan.
Look guys, mine's almost fully blue.
Wow, yeah. Keep agitating, good.
I'm gonna mix it a little more. I'm gonna mix it a little more.
Yeah, so you guys' colors are going good. See, red, green, and blue. Good girls and boys. Okay, so we're done with our 3 cups. Now we're gonna do these 3. Okay, so Kate's going to do orange. And then Emma's gonna do yellow. And then Ryan's gonna do
Purple.
good. There you go. Add your color, purple.
This doesn't look like yellow.
It will.
Good.
There you go, yellow.
Looks like
Kate got her
orange.
orange.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Okay, there it is. Purple's out, but it's okay. Woo, look at big bubble.
Look at that giant purple bubble.
All right, start agitating. There you go. Agitate, agitate.
Agitate, 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 agitate. Okay, we got our rainbow colors.
Nice. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna pour all the colors into this pan here. So, Kate, you can start first with red. Pour it in. Yeah. There we go. Okay, we got our red, and now we're gonna do our orange. All right, there we go. Orange. Ooh, nice. Good job, Kate.
Next is yellow.
There you go. Good. I help you. It's okay. There you go. Good girls. Wow. So beautiful, huh?
Yeah, it's like a rainbow.
Yeah.
There you go. It's a rainbow.
Now we do blue. Good. There you go. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, so we accidentally forgot the green here, so Ryan's gonna pour the green.
Yeah.
There we go.
Whoa.
It's okay, we can fix it. Spread out the green. It looks pretty, huh?
Yeah. There's actually a lot of green.
Yeah.
Like a rainbow, but now we need purple.
That's right, purple.
Yeah.
Wow, so beautiful.
That's like a rainbow.
It does.
Now Mom can use these.
Yeah, almost done. Good job, guys. You're gonna need some vinegar here. Yeah, of course. Okay, I'm gonna pour some vinegar in each cup for you guys. Okay, there you go. Pick up some vinegar and then just do it.
Yeah. Emma, squeeze.
Like this. You see the bubbles?
Emma, look.
Whoa.
Look. I put some bubbles.
Wait, I'm mixing
Whoa.
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 Look, mine is even doing trouble.
Wow.
So many colors at the same time.
Yeah.
Mine is growing.
Emma's just mixing over there.
I'm gonna do this with all
Okay.
of the colors.
Mine's mixing together.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Orange.
Whoa, that's a big one.
I have a reaction inside my cup.
Whoa.
Whoa.
That's cool.
Whoa.
There's this spot you guys haven't done yet.
Okay, I'm gonna do it on one single spot.
Okay.
Whoa, that's giant. Another one.
That was wet.
Go!
What?
Yeah.
Not the drought. Only wet.
Wow, look at the bubbles.
Okay, we're gonna pour it now. Whoa!
Whoa! Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Look at this. Whoa.
Looks so cool.
That was fun, huh?
Yeah.
Whoa. Can I touch it?
Yeah. Woo.
Whoa. That's super cool.
Yeah. Thank you for watching our baking soda and vinegar rainbow science experiment. Bye. Remember, always stay happy and rise up. Bye.
Whoa. Whoa.
Hey guys, today we're going to be making oobleck with cornstarch and water.
Whoa!
First, ask a grown-up for help.
Which is me. Alright, so first we need 1.5 cup of cornstarch. Okay, Ryan, open it up. Start pouring in here. Good, more. Do you see the line where it says 1.5? Oh, whoa, Ryan, too much. This is why you need help from the grown-ups. It's okay. It's okay to be messy a little bit. You tell me when, okay, Ryan?
It's stop.
Stop? Okay. So just top.
Oh, that's more than half.
Now, pour this in here.
Whoa!
It's already getting messy. For me, I'm gonna do the same thing.
Wow. This kind of looks like flour.
And you know
it
never
does.
to eat anything when you do an experiment.
Next, measure out 1 cup of water. I'm gonna use green and Daddy's gonna use blue.
Alright, that's my favorite color. Okay, so probably 3 drops is enough, Ryan.
Yeah.
If you do too much, it's gonna be too dark. So 1, 2,
No, I think
3.
that's good.
Alright,
1. Oh!
that's good.
That's good.
Just stir it.
Oh, these are big.
Whoa, look at that. Mine's definitely blue color. How's yours going? Oh, nice.
Green. Next, put the water into your cornstarch.
Whoa. Looking cool.
Whoa!
Wow, the color came out nice.
It's like a volcano.
Yeah. I like it. Alright, now we gotta mix it up. Whoa.
Whoa! It's gooey.
I love the color of mine. It came out really cool.
What? Yours looks like soup.
Looks like slime. Yours look like a slime color.
Yeah.
Oh, splash on me!
If you guys like messes, you should definitely make oobleck.
But don't make a mess intentionally, okay? Don't do that on purpose. It's all dissolved. I don't feel anything anymore. It's all liquid.
I feel so much.
This is why you need the help from the grown-ups.
Whoa.
Whoa. Ooh. Look at this. Big chunk. If it's too liquidy, you can add more cornstarch. I think mine needs a little bit more.
Mine's good.
Yours good? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll just add a little bit. Okay, that should be enough. Alright, we exchange. Here, you help me and I help you. Here you go. Oh yeah, Ryan needs a little bit more too. Look, it's very liquid.
You know it's ready when it feels hard, like this.
Oh yeah, that's definitely ready. And mine too, look at this. It looks liquid, right?
And
And then,
slap.
see? You can stop it. Alright, Ryan, why don't you try and touch it and see what it feels like?
Whoa.
See, if I try to stop it, I go, punch it. See? My hand doesn't go in. Look. Ah! Can't punch through! Whoa.
Let me try.
See?
What? So it's like slime, like that. It's kind of like
It's like
slime.
concrete.
It's like slime that's not ready yet.
Oh no! I dropped mine on mine. No.
So guys, I have a question for you.
What?
Is this oobleck, is it a solid or is it a liquid?
It's both,
Why do you think it's both?
because when you stay still in it, it like sinks you down, and whenever you hit it, it's a solid. So it's like invincible.
Oh, I don't think it's invincible, but yeah, I
you
feel like
put
it
it on
has
fire,
both properties. Okay, this is like, look, it feels like solid, right? But then, see, it moves like liquid.
Yeah, so I want you to pick up some and put it and squeeze it between your hands.
Ah,
Feel hard or soft?
it's hard. Look,
Yeah, when you put it in your hand, it feels hard like a solid.
I'm making a ball, right?
Yeah.
Look, I'm making a ball.
So
Let
that's
go, let
like a
go.
solid.
Oh!
What happened when you let go?
It's liquid!
Yeah.
I'm so confused. Which one is it?
All right, you try, Ryan.
It's both, obviously.
7 years old is teaching me.
You try. You pick up a whole bunch and then just squeeze it, but don't leave any space. Does it feel like a solid or a liquid?
Solid.
Yeah, but if you let go,
Oh,
what happened?
it becomes a liquid.
Yeah, so it's not your typical solid liquid, right?
So if I want to keep it solid, I keep on have to do this forever.
Yeah.
Ah, it's melted.
I'm getting mad.
Yeah, so this is really cool. This is actually called a non-Newtonian liquid.
Huh?
Non-Newtonium liquid. That's what,
What
it's
is
called.
Newtonium?
Yeah.
Newtonium after Sir Isaac Newton.
Okay.
It's not a typical definition of a solid, liquid, and gas. It's a solid or liquid, and it changes its property based on pressure. So if you apply pressure, it behaves differently.
Mommy, you try to punch it.
Okay. Mommy's gonna try to punch. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Wow! That's super hard like concrete. That's so fun. Whoa, look at Ryan. If you let go, it just dropped down. Looks like slime, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I'm melting! Wow! Whoa.
It looks like ice cream melting.
Yeah. What flavor would that be? Matcha flavor?
Maybe a Rocky Road? You can make your oobleck even more exciting with adding glitter.
Wow. Which one? Which one? There are two kinds.
I want to do the bigger one.
Okay, I get the purple one.
Glitter.
Oh, that's a lot. That's enough, right?
Okay.
Shiny.
Oh, how am I going to mix the... Oh,
Oh,
glitter.
it's on your hand now.
Oh, this is the only way I can mix it.
So Ryan added way too much glitter.
All right, I'll do right.
Well, I need a lot more. I need a lot of glitter.
Wow, look at that. I like it. The only thing is hard to mix. Can you see that? Whoa.
But if you leave it like this, it's actually harder to get out.
Wow. So cool.
Okay guys, so that's how you make oobleck. And when you're done playing, just do not throw it into the sink. You know why?
Why?
It could clog up your sink.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Don't want that.
So if you're done playing, you just throw it in the trash, or you can just put it in a Ziploc bag like this. You can play again later. For now, thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Remember, always stay happy and rise up. Bye. Rise up.